Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by opening Settings right away. Right-click the Start button and choose Settings, because that puts you where Power Options live. Once in Settings, go to System, and then either Display or Power and Battery. Windows 11 sometimes shows Power Options under either label. Make sure you have administrator rights if a prompt appears, since changing timeout values can require elevated permission. This first step gets you directly to the controls you'll modify, so don't wander into other menus. Once done, locate Screen and Sleep settings inside Power and Battery. That's where timeout values live. You'll see separate menus for on battery and plugged in. Choose never to disable timeout or pick a long minute value if you prefer. Click each drop-down and confirm the selection. Windows saves it automatically, but make sure both battery and plugged options match your goal. This change adjusts the timeout policy, which prevents the display from turning off and keeps your workflow uninterrupted. To finish, confirm the settings look correct and close settings. The change is immediate. If values revert or don't apply, open Control Panel Power Options and check the Advanced Plan settings. Some group policies or third-party tools override settings. If the screen still sleeps unexpectedly, restart Windows, update display drivers, and make sure no screensaver or corporate policy is enforcing timeouts. If problems persist, contact your admin. Troubleshooting that way isolates policy.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.